inclement weather and poor road conditions have a habit of taking you by surprise. Those inopportune driving conditions take a toll on your vehicle. Time and time again. When a critical OE part fails, why settle for a short-term repair by just replacing it with that same failure-prone OE part? Why just wait for another breakage? The Dorman OE FIX 601-903 electronic power steering rack doesn't simply replace your broken unit. It sets a higher standard than the original equipment. Eliminate inconsistent, heavy steering feel and vibrations at once, and for good. Proprietary electronics design. Protected from the elements. Extensive testing. Intuitive installation. Every detail has been precision engineered with you in mind, and every component is 100% new. One easy, cost-effective fix and you're back on the road, ready to get going and keep going. Don't just replace it, improve it.